11-8. In favor pa rin ng team 8A Yuba. 2 minutes and 5 seconds at the first quarter. At first game. Togan. To Yuba. To Nuno. Nuno. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gumat. Short number in Gumat. 2 points. John Mark Gumat. Last 2 minutes. Sa ating usually do bowlers. Challenge is always with us. Ingo taking bring Nuno by Nuno. Nuno. Panar pa rin. Pinigay kay KD lang to. Wala. Rebound ni Togan. Togan. Wala pa rin. Kay Togan pa rin. Easy lang daw, sabi ni Togan. 14 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Good ball yan. Good ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Good ball. Good ball yan. Good ball. Good ball. Kilar. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito. Rebound ni Togan. Togan na ako na si Gubat. 2 points. Jamar Gubat. 1 minute exactly sa ating first game. Second shot clock. Christian. Kilar. To another. John Mark. Wala pa rin dito na number 0 sa ilalim. Ingo. 2 points. Ingo. 30 seconds left. KJ. Wow. Power jersey number ano to? 55. Ingo. Seconds to shoot. 3. Paulo Yuba. Shot up off. Shot lock off na po. 15 seconds left. 2 points. Jarmar Kilar. 8 seconds left. Togan taking through. No good. Uno by KJ. 5 seconds left. 2, 1. End of the first game with a score of 18-12.